to set this up, first you need a screwdriver, a smaller flathead screwdriver such as this, and after you take out your existing fuel filter regulator using something like a lock ring tool, you will take it, you'll flip it upside down. First, you're going to remove the float like such. Then you will push in right here to release the clip. And that comes out like so. Then you have this arm here, and you will use your flathead screwdriver to push in here. This one takes a little bit of effort. Get that out of the way. To get that off, once that's free, you then have to get this piece of the venturi apart. You can use your screwdriver again to push. There's a clip right here, and you can push in. I believe I got it, and it pops right apart, just like so. You can then either cut the zip ties or simply remove. When cutting the float, you will have a grounding piece on the regulator. You will cut it approximately there, just below the ground. Now we're going to set everything up on the new unit. Depending upon when your unit was manufactured, you may have to trim your float arm. To do that, simply take a razor blade, and you're going to need to trim up to about here. And you're going to just want to take a little off of each section. You're just rounding the corners a little bit. And then you take this. That should snap right into place. You will then take your venturi arm, route it just below the float arm like so, push it into place, and it should snap into place as well. Then you'll take your new venturi piece adapter and you will push it into the factory venturi piece, and it as well should snap into place. Now you need to strip your wires on your float arm and install it like so, with the metal arm facing this side and the wires side going in. And it's just going to snap into place. Next, grab your crimping tool and you're going to make your connections. Make sure the wire stays in. Give it a tug test, make sure it doesn't come apart. The orientation of this does not matter, as it is just giving a resistance. And that's pretty much it until you get into the tank. Main things you have to remember is this is your feed line, this is your return dump. Both of these two are going to run over to the other side of the tank, along with this black line, which is your venturi return. And these will all get zip tied to your bucket, with the exception, of course, the feed is going to connect to your output. Your feed line will have, again, two connections, one large one, one small one. The large one will connect to the input here, The small one will connect to your fuel pump on the other side. And then your regulator return will connect to the small port. Snap it into place. And then you can take some zip ties and tie these together to make it easier, or you can keep it loose. After that, you install this into the tank by fishing these over to the other side, and then install this and connect your fuel line using a quick connect fitting. Additionally, this utilizes an AN6 ORB in here, so this is removable and it can be changed to AN6 male flare to do a custom fuel line.